Let's explore on how to link your bank account to Coinbase. Let's begin. If you haven't done so, you can create your cryptocurrency portfolio today, but just signing up and registering here on Coinbase.com. And if you have created your account, log in using your credentials. And so to add a debit or credit card, which is your bank account, you need to sign into your Coinbase.com account and select the profile icon, then choose settings. Of course, you need to select payment methods. Select add a payment method, which is you need to select the credit or debit card. So you need to be ready with your accounting numbers or routing numbers, if that's the case with your bank or card issuer. And enter your billing address and select add billing address. Again, you need to enter your card information and select add card, and you will see your card added to your list of payment methods. Now, if you're not comfortable using the computer, all you're gonna do, download the app on your mobile device, and to add a debit or credit card, access the Coinbase mobile app, select the 3-line settings, then choose profile and settings. It's the same process. Select and add the payment method. Be ready with your routing and account numbers. Select credit or debit card, enter your billing address, and select add billing address. Of course, you can enter your card information and select add card. And then you will see your card added to your list of payment methods. It is also important to take note that before you move on, you have to review the payment methods available to you and how they can be used. Say, for example, if you're in mobile, make sure your Coinbase mobile app is up to date. If your bank isn't listed, you won't be able to use easy bank transfer and will need to use the faster payments transfer. And if you're using a card, make sure your card is a Visa, Fast Funds enabled credit or debit card. Make sure your bank account supports SEPA transfers. And of course, make sure your bank allows you to transfer money to a crypto exchange. Say, for example, you're having problems linking your bank account to Coinbase. What you need to do you see a C icon logo right here on the lower right corner? Click on that. Here's your Coinbase virtual assistant, and it'll be happy to assist you on how to link your bank account to your Coinbase if you're having problems, alright? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.